The imposition of President's rule in Manipur reflects the utter bankruptcy of the double-engine government, both at the center and in the state. And the imposition of President's rule is not in the interests of Manipur or done for the interests of Manipur or its people. It is purely a political maneuver to try and save the coalition from collapse. Because we all know the Chief Minister had the full backing of the BJP RSS, a man who is the main person responsible for the fact that there has been violent turmoil and distress for the people of Manipur, was backed by the BJP RSS all through. And he resigned now only because of the court case in which his role, partisan role, was being exposed. So President's rule is no solution to Manipur. President's rule is there as a convenient tool for the BJP, but now the center cannot escape its responsibility to ensure and to bring about normalcy in Manipur. All this time, they have avoided their own responsibility. All this time, the Prime Minister has not even visited Manipur once. Now they can't escape that responsibility. So the demand is to take steps for a just solution, to ensure unity among the people of Manipur, to alleviate the suffering of the people of Manipur, to ensure the democratic rights of the people of Manipur, including the holding of fresh elections in a time frame. That is the real solution. And for that, we need peace and normalcy, which the central government is accountable for.